Today I have a 2016 BMW 328i with a 194401 fuel leak detection pump code. Okay, here is the code, and it is 19441. As soon as you clear the code, it will come right back on. It will say permanent actually. And I would clear the code, it would come right back on. So I decided to take off the cover where the pump is located and to check see if anything is broken or anything like that. The pump is located over here under this cover. However, the wiring for it comes from here, and if you can see, this wiring is all chewed up and it's touching each other. I don't know what happened over here. It got chewed up, probably some animal or something like that, and it got destroyed. I'm going to repair this and they should fix this issue. Thank you. So I repaired the wires. There was one that was completely detached and the other two, the insulation was chewed up. So I fixed all three, and now when I'm looking back, it doesn't say permanent anymore, it's just intermittent. It did say permanent earlier. Sorry I didn't record it earlier. I was kind of back and forth with this video, should I make it or no. So I think this will be helpful to someone. So now I'm gonna clear the code, and as soon as I will start the car, it would say permanent code present. Now no codes. I'm going to start it and we'll see. For check engine light will come right back on, and the codes will say permanent. Now nothing. One other thing I'm going to show you that this car is having issue with, what I originally thought was the problem, but it's not. Can you shut it off? So on these N20 and 26 engines, you have your airbox, and there is a vacuum line that connects right in here, and this pipe over here, the little tube, is broken off on this one, and it was stuck inside this vacuum line, and I thought, okay, that's most likely the reason why the code is coming on. So I did remove the pipe out of here, and I cleared this up a little bit so I can be able to kind of attach it just to make sure the check engine light is not coming on. This part I ordered from a dealer. I'm going to replace it, but even with this attached, the code would come back on right away. So that made me believe that there is some other issue going on with this car. And that's when I started looking behind the right rear wheel, and I found the problem. So it's just a short video. Sorry, I didn't really work on it too hard, but it's something that might be helpful to you. Thank you.